What's up, everybody? I'm about to cook something good. I'm about to cook me a crawfish and shrimp corn chowder. Or it can be called the crawfish and shrimp corn bisque, whichever one you want to use or say. So, got a whole bunch of ingredients in here. I'm just going to call it out right quick. Got a can of cream of celery. Let me call it out and put it to the side. I got a can of cream style corn. I got 2 cans of whole corn. I might just need one though. I'll let y'all know. I have what else I got here? Oh, there we go. Heavy whipping cream. Heavy whipping cream. I got some homemade shrimp stock that I made. Yep, straight from me. And what else I got? I have onion. So I have a 3/4 onion. I got some green onion. I have some what is this here? Oh, I got a assorted bell pepper. I have green, red, yellow, and orange. I like cooking with all 3. I have about 6 cloves of garlic right there. Hope I'm in the camera. I have some Louisiana crawfish. Louisiana crawfish. I don't know if I got the pack. I know my blind ass knows where this pack going. Oh, I think it's like this. 1 pound Louisiana crawfish with all the good fats in it. And I have me about 1.5 pounds of shrimp. Okay. What else I got? I got some thyme. I got some white pepper. I got some Greek Cavender's seasoning, Greek seasoning, and I have some slap your mama. All right, I think that's it. Let's get started. All right, y'all. Let's start by throwing a piece of butter in there. That's about 3 tablespoons of butter. All right, y'all see that butter is ready, y'all. Let's put in that onion. Y'all know I like that sound right there. I love me a shrimp and corn chowder or bisque. And the reason why I say bisque, the reason I like to call it a chowder is because I'm used to doing my crawfish bisque with the stuffed heads and stuff. And put in these mixed bell peppers. But a bisque can be like a soup, a white soup with your cream and your and I'm used to doing the crawfish bisque where you stuff the heads. I've been supposed to done that recipe for y'all. I never got to it, but I'm gonna do it one day. So I get some crawfish head. Let's put those green onion in there. Okay, let's saute that down right quick. All right, this thing got a little softened, or how y'all say translucent. Let's add the garlic in there. I just want to add the garlic last. You don't want no bitter garlic burning. I know I don't like no burnt, darn garlic. Alright, y'all. After all this has gotten like this, y'all can see in there. Let's go in and add some of this shrimp stock. So let's go on the glaze. Let's go on the glaze this. And I got a real cup here. Cup is a cup is a cup is a cup. 8 ounces. Let's put in. Oh, it ain't going nowhere with the top on it. Oh, Lord have mercy. All right. Let's add about. Let's see. Let me take my finger and measure. Okay. Cup number 1. Damn, that steam burning my damn hand. Hold up, steam. Ain't nobody playing like that now. Alright. Cup number 2. Cup number 3. We're going to start with 4 cups of shrimp stock. Alright. Let me let this come to a... Let me see how much that is. No. Let me add 6. That's what I usually put. cup number 5. And cup number 6. 6 cups of shrimp stock. Yeah, we're gonna go from there. All right, after simmering, y'all, let's add that 1 can of cream of celery to that. 1 can of cream of celery. Stir that in there. Let's go and add about a teaspoon and a half of thyme. Incorporate that in there. Let's go and add that 1 can of cream style corn. What I did with my spoon? Oh, right here. 1 can of cream style corn. Go ahead and put that in there. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and put the whole corn in there too. So can number 1 of whole corn and can number 2 of whole corn. Make sure you drain the water out of there. Let's put a little seasoning in here. Let's put a little onion powder. I'm going to say about a teaspoon. Somebody said, do y'all Louisiana people put onion powder and garlic powder and everything? Yes, we do. That's why our flavors are good. Okay. So, put 1 teaspoon of onion powder. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. See, I start out small. You can always add 2, but you can't take away. Okay. Onion powder, garlic powder. We start this way, it won't clunk up. Okay, let me put about a teaspoon of my Greek chowders. Just a little bit. It's okay. Let me put me a teaspoon of slap your mama. Even though I won't slap my mama. Oh no, mama ain't going for that. Right? And I like a little white pepper heat. Just a little bit. All right, I got a white pepper. Stir that in. Since it's gonna be white when I add the heavy cream in there, I like to use white pepper. All right, y'all. I'm about to put in about 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Let me slowly put this in here. Hope y'all can hear me. So let's put in 1 cup. See, I like to make sure my liquid is going to be right before I even put my crawfish and shrimp in. Alright. Get 1 more cup. I got my mom here with me tonight. So, she loves this. My mama like everything I cook. She taught me some of it, most of it, majority of it. All right, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. All right, so I'll put the top on this and let this simmer down for about 20, maybe about 20 to 25 minutes. We'll be back. I'll be back. All right, y'all. It's been about 30 minutes. And there we go. Put my pot top right here. And let's turn this down. Let's turn this down. And let's add in our seasoned shrimp. I season out. Ooh, I almost splashed that on me. I seasoned the shrimp with some Greek chowders and a little slap your mama. So let's put that in there. This is only gonna take about 5. Cause since this chowder / bisque is boiling hot, it's only gonna take about 3 to 4 to 5 minutes for these shrimp to cook. All right. Then we're going to add the crawfish, because you know when you buy the crawfish out the pack, that crawfish is already cooked. Yeah. All right. All right, y'all. It's been about 5 minutes. All right. Look how that's thickening up. Been about 5 minutes. And now I'm going to add in the crawfish. Let's add those crawfish in there. When I tell you these flavors are kicking, oh yes they are. Now let me tell you what I'm going to do. See, people always think that when you're cooking Cajun or Creole food that it's supposed to be spicy and hot. People got that wrong conception of us in Louisiana that we just eat hot food. No, we like well-balanced seasoned food. But I do want a little kick. So I said I wasn't going to put any cayenne pepper, but I am. I'm going to put that much right there. That's a pinch. That's a pinch of cayenne pepper. I gotta make sure I wash my hands. Good when I use cayenne pepper like that, because I better wash my hands and sit up there and put those 2 fingers right there in my darn eye. And I'm already blind, can't see. Ain't nothing, baby, ain't nothing worse than being blind and can't see and your eyes burning. No ma'am, no sir. So there we go. There we go. Well, we can pretty much turn this off. Yeah, let me turn this off. Like I said, that liquid is hot, so those crawfish is already cooked when you get it out the pack. The shrimp are done, so I turned it off. I'm just gonna put the top on it for a while. Let it all just marinate together. And we're gonna taste this in a few minutes, baby. Oh yeah. So I say bon appetit. All right, y'all, that's it. That's the finale. There go my shrimp and crawfish corn chowder. I'm gonna call it a chowder. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna call it. Let's fix a bowl and let's eat. I don't know if you can see the shrimp and crawfish on top. They probably sunk to the bottom. But let's eat. Let's taste it. All right, there go my bowl, y'all. There you go. Now y'all can see my face. Hey, good people. How y'all doing? Yeah, buddy. Oh, let me set this thing up right. Let me set this thing so y'all can see my big old smile. Anytime when I always smile when it's time to eat my food. I'm in rare form. My beard ain't done. My hair not combed. Well, I ain't got that much hair. But anyway, what's up, good people? Let's go and taste this bisque. You know, it's fall time. And when the fall is here, I love soups. And I'm so good at it. I gotta get me a bigger spoon after this taste test. This spoon, this for a damn kid. I'm old. I ain't that old now. Y'all. This is good. Can y'all tell I love my own food? I love my own food. I don't go to restaurants. I like to cook my own food. And this is good. It's 56 degrees outside. And this is what, October the 6th or 7th. All right, y'all. Y'all see me make this. Go make you some. God bless. Take care. And be safe out there. Bye.